Farland Classic Restoration Around the Shop, November 2020. Welcome to a whirlwind tour of what's going on in the shop and showroom. Let's start with our 1966 Porsche 912 electric conversion. We're upgrading the battery and drivetrain on this car and waiting for parts. Stay tuned on this exciting electric classic. Next is the 1952 Hudson Hornet nut and bolt restoration. Bright work is on and the new interior is in. Further assembly is going on and it won't be long until this amazing car is ready to roll. The guys in the shop are finishing a complete detail on the 1992 Ferrari 348 TS that's in the showroom. This is an incredibly original 348 in excellent condition and only 29,000 miles. A recent major service and perfect color combination make this car very desirable. Visit farlandcars.com for more information on this classic Ferrari. In the booth next to the 348, our crew is doing final assembly on the 1955 Chevrolet Corvette restoration. Amazing original colors combined with the Farland Classic Restoration level of excellence to create a true showstopper of a classic Corvette. The restoration continues on the 1973 Ferrari Daytona. Stay tuned on this iconic Ferrari. In the detail booth, our paint restoration team is making this Porsche Carrera shine like new. Over on the other side, our metal master is working on a very rare 1959 Porsche 356A Convertible D. Extensive metalwork and leading is bringing this classic Porsche to concours standards. And finally, down in the showroom, we have a 69 E-Type, a Super 90 single grille roadster, our bumper car, an Acura NSX that's not listed yet, a Bentley we just sold, a Primrose E-Type, a 65 Pontiac GTO, a very original Porsche 928, and a beautiful Mercedes 280 SL. Whew, I told you this was a whirlwind. That's it for now. Remember, you can always subscribe by clicking here, visit our site here, watch another video here, and please give us a thumbs up down below. Have a project? Call the shop at 303-761-1245. Thanks, and see you next time.